Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by replacing the batteries and verifying orientation, because weak or reverse cells cause the most silent failures. Once done, power cycle both the Chromecast and the TV to clear temporary glitches. This resets the receiver and remote pairing state. Make sure you're within about 10 feet and remove anything blocking the signal path, since line of sight or reflective interference commonly prevents commands from registering. Next, you go to Settings and open Remotes and Accessories to initiate pairing, because a dropped link is often the issue. If pairing won't complete, use the Google Home app to control and confirm the Chromecast itself is responsive. This isolates hardware vs software problems. Also check your TV's HDMI CEC and IR settings. Toggling CEC can clear device control conflicts, and disabling IR pass-through prevents the TV from hijacking commands. If the remote still won't work, perform a Chromecast factory reset to remove persistent software faults. This wipes settings but often restores pairing. Meanwhile, inspect the remote's battery compartment for corrosion or debris and clean contacts with a 90% plus isopropyl swab, because poor conductivity mimics failure. Finally, before ordering parts, test with a spare remote or your phone as a controller. If those work, you know the remote is the faulty component and can replace it confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.